Saptarishis, meaning 7 rishis in Sanskrit, are widely known for their work on Vedas and Hindu literature since ancient times. They are also known as the 7 mind-born sons of Lord Brahma: Kashyap, Atri, Vashisht, Vishwamitra, Gautam, Jamadagni and Bharadwaj are the current Saptarishis who serve as the representatives of Lord Brahma during this period. As per Hindu Shastra, there are 4 Yuga: the Satyug, the Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga and Kali Yuga. Since 3102 BC, for almost 4,32,000 years, we have all been in the Kali Yuga. According to the Vedas, thousands of Brahmas have passed. But this is not the first time a universe was created. According to the Hindu and Vedic time cycles, it takes 14 Manu and their Manvantar to create a Kalp, known as Day of Brahma. At the end of each Kalp, there is a dissolution period, led by Lord Shiva, the Hindu god of destruction, where the world is destroyed and lies in a state of rest. This period is known as Pralay, or Night of Brahma. It continues to be an endless cycle of creation and destruction over time. Manvantar, or known as the Age of Manu, is the astronomical time measurement in Hinduism. Lord Brahma, the creator of Manvantar, is ruled by specific Manu, where each Manvantar lasts a lifetime, upon which Lord Brahma creates another one to maintain the cycle of creation. It is said that Saptarishi live for a Manvantar, a period of 306,720,000 Earth years. These rishis keep changing after every Manvantar. On the other hand, Lord Vishnu takes a new avatar, and from his avatar, Indra and Saptarishi are appointed. The Saptarishi, also known as Brahma Rishi, were the highest class of rishis who have attained the knowledge of a true Brahman. One cannot rise to the level of Brahma Rishi through merit alone. Lord Brahma was the one who could choose a rishi, but Vishwamitra was one such exception who rose to that position through his excellence. He had performed meditations and tapasya for tens and thousands of years, due to which he was chosen as the Brahma Rishi by Lord Brahma itself. At the end of Manvantar, the Saptarishi merge with the Lord once the universe gets destroyed. The task of rebuilding Earth is then passed to the next chosen Saptarishi. These 7 sages have always helped Adi Yogi or Lord Shiva from time to time to maintain the balance of universe. They are even mightier than the Devtas. They are capable of defeating all humans and magical weapons. They can never be controlled by the cycle of life, death and karma. Saptarishi are those who have understand the meaning of life and Brahman and all the mysteries of creation. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, do like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already.